Sanmonani Papes. Today I have a meeting with multi-purpose people, so I need to know if I am able to host again this year, and also if my models will be able to rehearse there again, you know. So yeah, I just hope everything goes well. Yo, kuludanga phansi, the weather is not looking good as well. I'm actually late. I'm actually late. Okay, guys. I literally beat myself. How many minutes am I late? Fast. Everybody's looking at me. I don't know if there's not something wrong with me. I'm looking sexy. Samuel, Njani? Ngiyaphila benginemeeting no Siya.
Sangene ngapha makaphuma ngapha.
Oh, ngimele la.
Usangene ngapha. Hi.
Yebo.
Yes, I'm right. Uba no khona cha. Oh, yes.
Ngiyaxolisa ngilate yazi bengisekhona on the door.
No, ngisiseduze umfunela nini?
Indaba ziyahona.
Ukuthi holi.
Angithi we will also need to host again a multi-purpose hall because it seems to be like the big hall as well. I will understand because umamlinda ukathi kimi this year izinto zitshintshile ama-NGOs are now paying as well.
Yeah, we do pay, but then it depends which activity or so if it's sport, art, culture, and recreation, we give leeway to our discretion. Kodwa nje mawukuthi NPO unless and we can make it part of sport, kodwa it's not. It's not.
Why is it not part of sports?
Yeah, maybe recreation it is.
Or is it because
so when udinga ukuthi let's see ama rates ayenyuka from the 1st of July. So imali it's not going to be 1,100 because that's 50% of that money, 1,175. Usually that's 50% for you because angithi NPO NGO. So it's 500 and something, 560 something. Kodwa since we NGO ungaleta request letter and then the documents maybe just after July because I've pre-booked it and then